I'm back. I'm back. I'm 100% back, and I totally miss you guys. And I am so sorry about leaving you guys hanging for the last few weeks here. It's just been a busy one, and I really want to get you caught up on all the comings and goings of what goes on here at Plant March the Pot. And so I wanted to make it up to you in a big way with the Milky Way cast iron plant. It's just the easiest possible plant you could take care of ever. And I am one to let you know because I really haven't done anything with this plant whatsoever. But before I get further into the description, the details, the how-tos, feel free to smash that like button, subscribe, and look out for further notifications on my future content coming up because it's still gonna be action packed. I know I was gone for a little bit, but I'm not gone forever. It was just a little bit hectic in the last few weeks. So the Milky Way, I mean, what else is there to say? Like, you're all looking for the easiest plant to possibly take care of. Well, look no further. I mean, you don't have to have a set of binoculars or telescope to find. Well, what I will say is that actually the Milky Way is kind of hard to find because I only see this come through my garden nursery maybe once a year and then it's gone. And so when you have that happen, capitalize on it and go ahead and pick yourself up one. I don't think that it was very inexpensive, so that might hold some people back. I can't remember. I think I at least paid 50, maybe even 75 bucks for this plant, but it was worth it because I've literally, other than put it in this awesome looking pot, I don't know if you can see the pot. Let me hold it up for you. But all I did was put it in this pot sometime after I got it and water it maybe once a week. It really doesn't mind if I go a little bit longer than that. And it's just not too fussy whatsoever. I had like 2 brown leaves on here right before I pushed record on the video. I just plucked them off. I mean, it's super simple, super easy. I've never had any issues with this one whatsoever. I mean, maybe a little bit of brown leaf tips. It's like whoop-de-doo. So that's what I've been doing, it just watering once a week. And it really does kind of like to stay on the dry side. It is a rhizome that it comes from. So you could easily make this a plant gift to a friend or a family member by taking it and separating the plant. You can divide this one into 2 or even 4, and you have more pups to divide up and have for maybe another room in your house or your coworker or something like that. But real easy to propagate. The light is also super easy. It's super versatile. It could take bright sunlight or low light. Mine, I've been giving low light and then I've been giving it medium light, and it could care less. It just won't grow as fast. That's about the only difference. Don't expect this to grow fast at all, regardless of how much sunlight you're giving it. I mean, I know it didn't look exactly like this when I bought it, but it was pretty close, and I've had this for maybe a little bit over a year. It's just been no muss, no fuss. And then the soil type, I think I just used a regular potting soil. Honestly, I didn't go out of the way to try to find something different, but like always with most tropicals, a well-draining, lightweight potting mix, and you're good to go on the Milky Way cast iron plant or really any of the cast iron plants, all the same care, just, you know, not something you have to baby. It's not something that you're going to have to mother hen or hover around. No helicopter parenting here. Just put it pretty much anywhere in your house. Give it water once a week. Give it some good potting soil. Maybe lightly fertilize like once a year, lightly. And then just step away and look at it. That's what it's there for anyway. And it's a super air purifier. It's going to bring you nice, fresh oxygen on a daily basis. So if you see it, remember I told you to pick it up, because once they go fast. They go fast. Soon as you see it and you look away, it's probably going to be gone. So don't hesitate. Go out there, find yourself one, grab it, and come back and watch this video again. And my next video, which I promise, be posting regularly from here on out. So thanks for watching. See you soon.